I'm Josh.
I'm Sarah.
We're here from The Thing About Witch Hunts and The Thing About Salem. We recently did a tremendous episode with our guest, Wickey, the author and illustrator of the fabulous new graphic novel, More Weight, about the Giles Corey story.
We have been waiting for our copies, our physical copies, to arrive. And today, there was a penguin on my doorstep. Oh, you got yours
I got
too.
a penguin too, Sarah. Should we look at what's in these penguin
I can't
boxes?
wait to get in this box.
Okay. Done.
Oh my gosh. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
This is what we've been talking about. And
More weight.
this is the amazing history of Salem and the people from its founding till now. Well, maybe not quite its founding. My ancestors are in here. Are yours?
Mine are too. At least I know one is Mary Esty, who's also Ben's ancestor and your ancestor, of course.
Yeah.
But look at how thick this graphic novel is. It's over 500 pages. It's amazing. It's got, in the back, it's got author's notes that talk about what's a true fact from history and what got embellished a little bit, which I have to say probably isn't that much because it is really true to the history. It was very important to Ben. And this here is Giles Corey on the front.
If my watchers have been tired of my book arrangement, it's going to be looking a lot different for the next few recordings, for sure.
Definitely a nice splash of color to add to any home library. Definitely recommend this for any, mature young adult to adult. It's a breathtaking book. Can't wait for you all to dig into it.
All right, Josh, I got to go because I got to read.